take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Roku's extensive channel store includes 1,800 plus channels, but what exactly can you stream for free? Well, a lot. Today hundreds of Roku channels are free, including YouTube, Pandora, PBS, PBS Kids, Hasbro, Crackle, Vivo, Crunchyroll, Babel, Popcorn Flicks, Smithsonian and much more.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Roku Premiere has a quad-core processor. Without getting too techy, the basic difference here is that the Premiere is set up for better, faster performance than the Express due to a better quality processor.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The Roku streaming stick has a quad-core processor, which the Roku Express lacks, and that's the main hardware difference between the two. Both devices have 802.11b per gram N wireless. Neither device supports 4K video. You'll have to step up to the Premiere, Premiere Plus, or Ultra for that.
Take our lead.
The Roku Express offers a ton of value for the money. The device is inexpensive and easy to use, making it great for those getting started in streaming or those with an older TV. Should you buy it? Yes, if you have an older 1080p TV that you want to turn into a smart TV for about $30, the Roku Express is hard to beat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.